everybody, my name is Karina. Welcome back. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to make delicious Gallina Pinta. This is a traditional plate from Sonora. It's so delicious. If you guys want to see how I make it, keep watching. I've already set my pot with 5 quarts of water. Water is now boiling and I'm going to add the meat. I'm using 1.5 pounds of oxtail, 2.5 pounds of beef ribs, and 2 pounds of beef shank. I'm also gonna add 1 whole onion, 1 garlic head, and I'm gonna add 2 Anaheim peppers, but first I'm gonna poke holes in them, just like that. And this is just to release the flavor. We're gonna wait for it to come to a boil and remove any impurities that form on top. The water is now boiling, and as you can see, the impurities have started to form on top. Now I'm gonna go ahead and remove them. We're gonna cover it up and cook for about 40 minutes. It's been about 40 minutes. And I'm gonna add the beans. I'm gonna be using 1 pound of pinto beans. Cover it up and cook for about 40 minutes. After about 40 minutes, we're gonna open it up and remove the onion, garlic, and chiles. Now we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of salt and 1 tablespoon of beef bouillon. Give it a mix. We're gonna cover it up and cook for an additional 40 minutes. It's been 40 minutes. Our beans are almost fully cooked, and this is the perfect time to add the hominy. I'm gonna be using 3 pounds of pre-cooked hominy. Give it a mix. And we're also gonna add 3 chile guajillos, a bunch of cilantro, and 4 green onions. Cover it up and cook for an additional 30 minutes. It's been 30 minutes and our Gallina Pinta is ready. Look at how delicious it looks. Our meat is tender. You can tell it's so soft. And it smells delicious. I'm gonna turn off the heat and serve myself a bowl. This is such a delicious dish. If you've never tried it before, it's the best. It's a perfect combination of the beans with the hominy. And the broth is so creamy, perfect. And there you have it, delicious Gallina Pinta. All right guys, my favorite part, and right now it's been raining so hard, it's very cold, and this is just perfect for this weather. Cheers. The meat, so tender, so delicious. And the cebollitas, perfect. Definitely need to try this recipe. All right guys, that's it for this one. If you've made it this far and you haven't subscribed, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on your bell notifications so you won't miss any of our new videos. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.